Welcome to SHREE RSC classes. So today we will learn about long division and this is part 2. I hope you must have watched the first video. If not, you can go through that one as well because it is going to be the second part of that previous video. Alright, so let's get started. So today we will learn how we can divide this big number that you can see on your screen by a two-digit number. Okay, so first thing is whenever you have such kind of division, I always suggest to write the times table of the number which is your divisor. But do not write it at the first place. Do not write the complete table at the first place. First of all, check what do you need. So I'm gonna check what I need in this. So first of all, the rule is that we always start from the highest value column, and in this it's going to be 6. So basically, if you look at this 6, there is not a possibility that this 25 can go into that 6. So it's going to be 0 only. So I'm gonna put a 0 at the top and I'm going to take this two-digit number now. So the 63 I'm going to consider. Now I'm going to check how many 25s can go into that 63. Of course, I don't remember 25 times table. No problem, I'm going to help you. So write down the table. We all know short multiplication, so you can do short multiplication to write down the table. So 20 times 5 times 1 is 25. I'm going to show you like what I'm trying to say here. So let's say you don't know what is 25 times 2. So just perform this short multiplication. I'm going to remind it to you. So you can do 2 times 5, which is 10. So put a 0 here and 1 will go there at the top of the next column. Then you will do 2 times 2, which is 4. Add this 1 into it, will make it 5. So basically 25 times 2 is 50. Okay, let me check the next one as well as I need 63. So let me check what is going to be 25 times 3. So basically 25 times 3 is 75. Okay, I cannot work with this one because it is greater than 63. So I need a number that can be equal to 63 or less than 63. And for that, I will definitely be using this one. So that means two 25s can go into that 63. So I will write 2 at the top and 20, I'm going to write this 50 here because whenever I write any digit at the top, I will be multiplying it with 25 and whatever answer I'm getting, I'm going to write it underneath that number that I divided by 25. So I divided 63 by 25. That is why I'm writing this 50 underneath 63. Now the next step is to take away. So 63 take away 50. So it's going to be 13. Now the next step is to bring down the next digit. We always bring down one digit at a time. So the next digit is going to be this 2. So bring this down. It's going to be 132 now. Now, I will again check how many 25s can go into that 132. For that, I would be needing the table again. So, 25 times 4 is 100. 25 times 5 is 125. I'm getting closer to that number. Let me check the next one as well, just for a confirmation. It's going to be 150. Oh, yeah, that means I'm going to use 25 times 5 equals 125. So that means 5 25s can go into that 132. So I will write 5 at the top and again I will multiply this 25 with this 5. It's going to be 125. So write that 125 underneath this number because I'm dividing it by 25. Then the next step is to take away. And if I take that away, in this case, I'll be needing to exchange from the next digit. So it will become 2 and this one will become 12. So 12 take away 7 is going to be, 12 take away 5 is going to be 7. And this one will just become 0. Okay, now again, I will bring down the next digit. So it is 5. So now I'll check how many 25s can go into that 75. And yes, I can divide it completely. I can see that 25 times by 3 is 75. So that means I'm going to write 3 at the top and again I will multiply. So 25 times by 3 is 75. So write that 75 down here underneath 75 and take that away from 75 itself. So it will become 0. It's not the end. We need to take this 5 down. So bring this down. Now it became 5. Now it's a very smaller number in comparison to this 25. So that means no 25s can go into that 5. So basically it is going to be 0. So you will write 0 at the top, 0 down here, and then if you will take that away from the 5, it will become 5. So basically, this 5 is going to be my remainder. And the answer to this question is going to be 2530 remainder 5. This is going to be my answer. So I hope that you have understood how to divide big numbers even by a two-digit number. And I hope that you like the video as well. Thank you.